In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in HubSpot. This is a handy skill to have if you're working with contacts who use multiple emails for different purposes, whether business or personal. First, let's start with the basics by navigating to the trial guide on HubSpot. You can do this by opening your HubSpot account and locating the trial guide section. This will serve as your dashboard for accessing various HubSpot tools and features. Once you're in the trial guide, click on CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. This powerful tool allows HubSpot users to manage their contacts, track interactions, and improve relationships with their customers. You'll find the CRM tool in your navigation bar. Clicking on it will take you to an area where you can view and manage all your contacts in one convenient place. Now that you're in the CRM, the next step is to click on Contacts. This area provides a comprehensive list of all your existing contacts, and it's here that you can make adjustments and additions. Look for the contact you want to update with multiple email addresses. For the sake of this tutorial, let's use a sample contact named Brian Halligan. Click on Brian Halligan's name to open his contact profile. In the contact profile, you'll see various options and information about Brian. Find and click on the Email tab. This section contains the primary email information associated with the contact. Now, this is where you'll be adding additional email addresses. The next step involves clicking on the highlight area next to the current email address. By doing so, you open up an option to add new email addresses to the same contact profile. It's a simple process of clicking and typing the additional email addresses you have for this contact. Make sure to save your changes as you go along so you don't lose any information you've just added. Remember, keeping multiple email addresses in one contact profile helps maintain a clean, organized database. It ensures that all communications sent from HubSpot to this contact will reach them, regardless of which email they check. Now you know how to efficiently add multiple email addresses to a single contact in HubSpot. This enhancement to your contact management process allows you to track connections and communications without confusion or duplicated entries. Enjoy the benefits of a more organized contact management system and improve your interactions with clients by ensuring you have all possible points of contact accessible directly from their profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other HubSpot tutorials for more expert tips.